now we're going to go into practice problems. And first, I'm going to write down the steps so you guys have something to reference to in case you guys get lost. So the first step is, are the denominators the same? Have you guys write this down. Second one is what is the least common denominator? That goes into both numbers below. And the third step is what we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. And the fourth step is you add straight across. Okay, does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You guys got that down?
Yep.
Okay. So, using those steps, you're gonna go over our practice problems. So the first one is 2 over 15 plus 2 over 5. Did you guys get that?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yes, we did.
See what you guys got.
8 over 15.
Good job. You're doing good. Okay. We'll do a couple more. So let's do 7 over 8 plus 1 over 6. What did you guys get?
25 over 24.
Did you?
Yes, we did.
Good job.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's do 2 over 3. You guys see how I got that?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Can you explain me the process, Dane? How you do that?
Well, first you have to look at, are the bottom numbers the same?
Like on step 1.
Right, and they're not
Mm-hmm.
at first, because one's 2 over 3 and one's 1 over 6.
Correct.
So you have to find a number that both numbers go into. and that would be 6 because 2 times 3 equals 6, and 6 times 1 equals 6.
Okay.
And that's what you wrote up there, and that's how you wrote it up there.
Mm-hmm.
And so, since you have to do to the top what you did to the bottom, you have to multiply the 1 times 6, each of them by 1. So it's still 1 times 6, and then the 2 times 3, both of them by 2. So it's 4 over 6. And then you add them.
Yeah, you got it. You guys are quick learners.
The writing the steps down helped.
You're a good teacher.
Thank you. How about I do I write a problem on the board and Ian comes and solves it.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'll try. Every teacher.
Would you like to come solve this one?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you.
Would you like to walk me through the steps?
All right. So first, you look at, are the denominators right? The same? No, they are not. So now I got to figure out what is the least common multiple.
Denominator.
Denominator, yeah. So what I know is that 4 goes into 12,
Mm-hmm.
goes into it 3 times. So I'm gonna write times 3. Whatever I do to the bottom, I gotta do the top. So that's why I did that. And so then I do 12 goes into itself 1, so times 1 times 1. And then so now I got.
Well, first you gotta put down the denominator shit. So that's kind of why I spaced it out so you can kind of.
Okay, so
Yeah.
so right here, the 12 would go right here.
Yep.
The 12 would go right here. Okay. So now I know that 12 goes into itself once, so now I gotta multiply 5 and 1, which I get 5.
Mm-hmm.
And then here, so I did 4 times 3 to get to 12, so I gotta do that to the top, so 1 times 3 is 3. So then now I add the top straight across.
Mm-hmm.
5 plus 3 is 8 over 12.
Now, can you simplify that?
I don't know, I can try.
Could it be simplified any farther?
It could. So I would go, now I know that 4 can go into both of these numbers.
Mm-hmm.
So 4 goes into 8 2 times.
Yep.
4 goes into 12 3 times, which is 2 over 3.
Yay! Good job.
Excelsior. That's gonna be
Okay. So, can you guys tell me what you guys learned today?
I learned I learned about the least common denominator.
Mm-hmm.
That.
Because that's in the second step, right?
Right.
Mm-hmm. Good job. Okay. Ian, did you learn anything today?
I learned that at the end you add straight across.
Very good. Okay. So you guys can go to lunch now.